guys!
Hello.
We are joining another market today. So unexpected. We just saw it a day before and we're like, let's do it. It's a beautiful day, the beautiful location in the mountains, and we said let's do it. So we just set it up ourselves, made this little cute
Here's our
booth.
stand.
I'm gonna show you from other side. We are in this such a cool market, guys. People sell like crystals and homemade stuff and oils and so on, jewelry. Really nice to be here. So I'm gonna show you a little bit around so you can kind of feel the vibe of it and kind of be with us, with your spirits, and hope so. We're gonna have a good day here. It feels already like it's a good day. So we are just after the market, which went really super great this time, and we're so happy. And we just decided to have some lunch and some peaceful time because it was so loud with all the music and people, and
it was busy.
it was really busy, but really nice. And we are in this place called Monsanto, and it's so beautiful here, so beautiful. If you ever go to Portugal, this is, I think, one of the places to really see. And we found these rocks here that we just gonna
have some lunch,
sit and enjoy this.
Look at that
view over here, and all the view down here is just wow, so magical. So super happy and content for today and how it went. And
today went well.
So we are on the way home, back on the road.
First, we're gonna make a quick pit stop.
There's
this lake nearby. We're gonna check out.
Take a nice dip. Wash all the energies
Wash the energy from today, yesterday.
And then drive home and just really relax.
And just take Sunday off.
Really need it. So, we'll see you guys later. We just arrived at the lake, and wow, it's so nice and peaceful here. Wow. And look at the sun. Wow. We are visiting our friend that we are doing a house sitting the first time when we came to Portugal, and look who's here. Our friends. Right, Buddha? Right.
It's been so long.
We are back into the same garden where we started, and now everything is just so green and so beautiful. Wow, such a difference to be here right now. And we're getting some fresh goodies for the lunch. Wow, so exciting. So nice to come back and see this, such a big difference just in couple months. Wow. We are going for a little adventure to see the waterfalls with our friend and all the doggies. So nice. I'm gonna take you with us. This is asparagus tree bush.
Wild asparagus.
Wow. Is it good? We are getting there. Wow.
And the waterfall used to be here because if you pay attention you'll see old steps.
It is so steep here, guys. I need to go like sideways. Look at that. Wow. And the water. Ooh, so exciting. It's so beautiful here, guys. Oh my god. Just the sound of it. Oh, so nice. I'm so happy. Give it to me, Buddha. Let's go. Barga. 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 That was a good flight for you. Look at this. Wow. And there is the big waterfall. Let's go! Wow. It's so beautiful. Let's get closer.
Wow.
Wow. We are all the way up on the waterfall. Wow. We found one more waterfall that we're going to see. We just need to go by this crazy wall. Look at this. This is the road. It's basically, yeah, climbing the rocks. So, a little bit dangerous, but so worth it. We're doing carefully and everything is gonna be okay. And dogs are following us too. are just sitting here by the waterfall. Ah, so nice, so healing, so needed. We had a tough week. So this adventure is like, wow, I'm so happy and so grateful for everything.
Hello, guys. Welcome back.
Today we are visiting this beautiful place because we are looking for different places and venues to host our events. And yeah, we reach out with this place that we are here right now. And we're going to try it out and see if it's suitable for us. Do we like it? Do we don't like it? Yeah.
This way.
And it's so beautiful. It's surrounded by this beautiful nature. And yeah, I'm very happy to be here. And we have a crazy journey to get here. We were driving this small village road and then in front of us was this, how is it called?
A funeral.
A funeral and
Yeah.
like people
It was like 150 people just were walking into us.
with the crosses and everything.
Yeah, and they had the big things and then the caskets.
Oh,
and
my
everything.
goodness.
We
That
had to
was
back
so-
up and park in a little place, and then they all walked back,
and all
looking
were,
at
looking
us.
like, who is this crazy guys, interrupting funeral.
That was a journey.
Yeah, but we made it, and now we're going to check the place and show you a little bit around.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
beautiful place.
It is very
Beautiful
beautiful
house.
place.
Yeah.
And look guys, it's already springtime here in January. So crazy.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Nice.
That's the room, guys. It's so beautiful here. And we're gonna dance a little bit tonight to try it out. So yeah, I'm looking forward for that. Ewan is setting up his space and he's gonna play some music tonight.
Oh, so exciting. It's gonna be good. It's been too long. Oh, how long has it been?
Couple months.
Oh no, like 4 months, hasn't it? Since we came to Portugal, I haven't played live. I don't think so, at least.
Yeah, but you still played some nice music at our place and shared online. So
That's
yeah.
true.
Check his music, guys. In the link
Yeah.
below, he has his tracks and really cool mixes of our ecstatic dance and all other music. So check him out. And you also have a YouTube that you
And
started.
I do, yes. Where I post my mixes, my tracks, all that stuff. Yeah.
So we're gonna put this
It
in.
will be down and below.
Yeah.